So I'll now color the wings up with purple, but I'll keep the circles free from colors. So we're gonna switch over to the lower wings. And switch over to the left. I hope your homework is progressing because it is a do-it-yourself project. As you watch the video to the end, then you can switch to action and start working on your own project. If you have any challenge, you go back to the video and play it and replay it. So I'm going to introduce this pink color to some of the circles up. The idea is to make for unity, or what you call harmony, when the colors harmonize. So also bring the yellow color. This is a highlighter, as it's called. Also introduce it here. Also bring the ball that is up and to this side, the lower side. Then with the red mark, I'm going to make spiral lines all over the wings. Then on the body, on the butterfly, so use the red to complete the color.